Are you tired of hearing about business ideas that require thousands of dollars to get started? What if I told you that you could launch a business today with zero upfront investment and start seeing real money in just 3 months? Stick with me. This list might just change your life. Business number 1, freelance writing. If you can write well, freelance writing is one of the easiest businesses to start. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and even social media can help you find clients. Focus on niches like blog posts, email marketing, or ghostwriting for ebooks. Pro tip: build a simple portfolio using free tools like Google Docs or a LinkedIn profile to showcase your work. Business number 2, social media management. Businesses need help managing their social media accounts, and many are willing to pay for it. If you understand platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest, you can offer to create content, schedule posts, and engage with followers. The key is to start small. Reach out to local businesses or creators and pitch your services. Business number 3, online tutoring. Are you good at math, science, or even playing the guitar? Online tutoring is booming, and you don't need a teaching degree to get started. Websites like Wisent or TutorMe can connect you with students. Alternatively, you can market your tutoring services directly on Facebook groups or local community forums. Business number 4, affiliate marketing. This is a great option if you're active on social media or have a blog. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or individual brands' affiliate networks. Promote products you actually believe in and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. No inventory, no upfront costs, just creativity. Business number 5, virtual assistant. Many entrepreneurs and small businesses need help with administrative tasks like email management, scheduling, or research. Offer your services as a virtual assistant. You can find gigs on job boards like remote.co or pitch directly to small businesses that could use an extra pair of hands. Business 6, print on demand. If you're a little creative, start a print-on-demand store using platforms like Printful or Printify. You can design t-shirts, mugs, or notebooks, and the platform handles production and shipping. Use free tools like Canva to create your designs. Market them through social media and let the passive income roll in. Business number 7, reselling online. Flipping items is a tried-and-true method to make money. Start by decluttering your home and selling items you no longer need on platforms like Facebook Marketplace, Poshmark, or eBay. Use the profits to buy other low-cost items to resell and grow your business from there. Business note 8, blogging or vlogging. Share your expertise, passion, or life journey with the world. Blogging platforms like WordPress or vlogging on YouTube are free to start. Over time, you can monetize with ads, sponsorships, or by selling your own products. Just be consistent and focus on creating valuable content. Business number 9, online courses or digital products. If you're skilled at something, package your knowledge into an online course or digital product like an ebook. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or even Canva can help you get started for free. Sell directly to your audience via social media or email marketing. Business number 10, content creation services. Love creating videos, graphics, or audio? Offer your services to small businesses, creators, or podcasters. There's always demand for editors and designers. Tools like CapCut for video editing or Canva for graphic design can help you get started without spending a dime. Starting a business doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Whether you're writing, teaching, or flipping items online, there are plenty of ways to begin with $0 and make real money in just a few months. The secret? Consistency, hard work, and adding value to the marketplace. Which of these ideas resonates with you? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips to make money online.